Hello there. We are looking at even and odd numbers today, 3.4i. So we're going to be doing just a little quick activity to determine how to find out if a number is even or odd. So whatever number it is, however big, however small, you always look at the ones place. So if the digit in the ones place is even, it's going to be a 0, a 2, 4, 6, or 8. A rule is that 0 is always even. That's just the rule with even and odd numbers. 0 is even. If it's not even, then of course it's odd. And if it's odd, in the ones place, it's going to have a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay, so we're going to use, not that one, we're going to use a chart like this to do about 5 examples for you to get to be familiar with even and odd numbers. And if you're in your classroom, you can do these with me or with your teacher later. So on here, I have the number of items. So like I said, if you're in your class, you can have beans or counters out and you can actually be doing it along with me. So here you have digits in the ones place. And here it says 2 equal groups, if it has 2 equal groups, divisible by 2. And the word divisible just means that you can divide it by 2. So we're going to see if we can cut it in half. When you divide by 2, you're cutting something in half. Then at the end, we're going to determine if it's even or odd. E for even, O for odd. Okay, so the first one is 12. Now remember, we always look at the ones place. Here is my ones place, the 2. The digit in the ones place is a 2. Can I make 2 equal groups? Well, let's see. If I have 2 counters here, can I split that into 2 groups? Of course I can, right? I can do 1 here and I could do 1 there. That's 2 equal groups. So yes, I can. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. I split that into 2 groups and that there's 1 in each. Is that divisible by 2? Remember, the word divisible just means if you can divide it by 2. You see it says divvy in there, like divide. If I'm going to divvy something out, I'm going to pass it out. I'm going to divide it. So yes. So is it even? Yes. It's even because it is divisible by 2. And remember, if it ends, remember the chart that we saw? If it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it is divisible by 2 and it is even. Okay, let's try the next one. The next number is 3,038. Quite a big number. But remember, it doesn't matter how big it is, you always look at the ones place. That is an 8. Can I make 2 equal groups? Well, let's get 8 counters up here and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, can I make 2 equal groups? If I were to divide this by 2, can I have 2 equal groups? Yes, right? I can do 4 and 4. Or this way, 4 and 4. So yes, I can, because 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So is it divisible by 2? Sure is. Yes. So that is E for even. Okay, my next number is 927. Okay, so I'm going to look at the ones place. Always look at the ones place. That's a 7. Okay, so let's see. Let me get 7 counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I make 2 equal groups? What do you think? Can I make 2 equal groups? I would not be able to make 2 equal groups, could I? It would be 4 here and 3 here. I could only make equal groups if I split this. Then it would be fractions, right? But we're not doing that. We can't cut it like that. So no. 2 equal groups? No. Is it divisible by 2? No. So that would be O for odd. That is an odd number. 7 is an odd number. All right, let's look at next one, which is just the number 6. So of course we have a 6 in the ones place. Can I make 2 equal groups? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I make 2 equal groups? Yes, I can, right? I can do 3 and 3. So yes, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So is it divisible by 2? Yes. So that makes this number even. 6 is even. Okay, let's look at our last number. 275,773. Our last digit is 3. We always look at the ones place. That digit is 3. Can I make 2 equal groups? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. Can I have 2 equal groups? No, because I would have 2 in one group and 1 in the other group. So I can't make equal groups unless I cut it. So no. Is it divisible by 2? No. So that number is odd. Okay, so this is, you can do this activity in your class with a partner or at home. You can roll some dice, and then generate some numbers, and you can practice this. And it'll give you a lot of practice with determining if a number is even or odd. Remember, it is even if you can divide it evenly by 2, if it's divisible by 2. And you can go back to this chart. Remember, it's even if it's divisible by 2, and those digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And if it's odd, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Always look at the ones place, no matter how big that number is. All right, we will see you next time.